How to make cash money on the side. In this slow economy, we are all finding new ways to make ends meet. Some of us have picked up second jobs or are selling things we no longer use or need to get some cash to help put food on the table, pay the bills, or work on paying off some debts. You can get cash for gold, and this can really help you in a very big way. It is a very simple process and very quick as well. There are a few places you can sell your gold, and some are worth it and others are not. You do not want to use the pawn shops because they pay very low amounts for gold. This is due to their high overhead and the need to turn a very large profit percentage on each item they buy. You can get cash for gold right online, and you can do it with ease. The online companies are the best because they pay out the most. They don't have to pay for a building and their overhead is very low compared to other companies. This allows them to pay out a larger sum of cash for gold, and this benefits you. All you have to do is sign up with them and they will send you a fully insured envelope to place your gold items in. Then you mail it back to them. They melt it down, weight it, and send you a check for about 50% of what the gold would sell for at retail. This means you can get a few hundred to thousands of dollars very fast just for the gold you have.